Hello, my name is Danny Gregory, and today I'm going to demonstrate a new tab group component that I built using Zen. As you're probably aware, Zen does come with its own built-in tab group component. However, I wanted to try to build something a little more feature-rich. So let's start by looking at some of those key features. It is div-based. It doesn't use any HTML tables. It allows you the ability to position your tabs along the top, bottom, left, or right of the tab body. It has a built-in navigational feature that allows you the ability to move to the first, last, previous, or next tabs. Has built-in support for tab creation and tab removal, as well as the ability to keep a user on a given tab. It's completely customizable through its many attributes, and in cases where you need to do something more, you can subclass it, and it has a lot of class parameters that makes that process easier to do. Let's start by looking at some of the tab positions. Here you can see the tabs across the top. We'll look at those at the bottom, the left, and the right, or you can completely hide those tabs. Now it has a built-in tab navigational panel, and that allows us to move to the last tab, to the first, to the next, or to the previous, or select a tab and move straight to that tab. Now you can see I've got the visibility set to visible, which means this is always going to show this navigational panel. If we set this to auto, that panel will only be shown when it thinks it's run out of space for the tabs. So if we go ahead and we add some tabs, we can simulate that situation. Now if we remove the tab, it'll go ahead and it'll turn off that panel. There are going to be times though where you're going to want to completely hide the panel and have your own navigational buttons, as you see I've done here. Now these buttons are only operating against the methods of this tab group control that allow me to move to the last, to the first, to the next, and to the previous tabs. You can also add images to any or all of your tabs. Here you can see I've got images on my first two tabs and nothing on my last tab. You can also individually style your tabs. Here you can see I've color coordinated the body of my tab with the tab itself. I've also added some special styling to the caption so that it stands out whenever it's the active tab. Now you can pretty much style anything on this tab group control. Here you can see I'm going to increase the width of my tab and the height. Go ahead and increase the buffer between there. Decrease the body size of my tab group control, or increase it. I can also apply different styles to the different states of my tab. So for an active tab, we can go ahead and change the style there, or for the inactive tabs, we can also change the styles there. Now for the disabled tab, we're going to simulate what that looks like as well. We're going to simulate that here by disabling the styles tab, and you can see that it did indeed apply that style. Now we can also turn off the ability to add tabs. You can see that it removed that special tab there, or the ability to remove tabs. We can also keep a user on a given tab. Here you can see I can't get off this tab. Now I can. Well, that's it for today's presentation. I want to thank you for your time. If you do have comments, questions, or feature requests, please contact me at danielgregory@acm.org. Again, thank you for your time and have a great day.